I realized that it looks crazy with my hair that's grown out since I've received this topper, but hopefully you get a good idea of what this topper could potentially look like. I feel like this is the best feature about this Uniwigs Bella topper is the ability for you to try lots and lots of different styles and updos with this topper because it's so lightweight. Let's get into it. My name is Saran and I started Strandy about a year ago in order to share with other women my story regarding hair loss, hair thinning, as well as my journey in wearing wigs and hair toppers. So I'll start with the pros. The hair density on this is awesome. I haven't had to thin it out at all. I do prefer, personally, a little bit of medium to low density. I prefer it a little bit more like my natural hair, just giving it a little bit of oomph, which I feel like this Bella topper is perfect at. It is super manageable. I'm gonna put it down again. If you look here, it's only adding a little bit more hair to the hair that I already have, but evenly dispersed. So it's still giving you good coverage in the back. The hair quality overall is actually really good. I've washed this hair topper several times and kind of see a little bit more of what the hair could be after it ages or has a little bit more of the coating kind of taken out of the topper, and it still maintained its silkiness and softness, which I feel like is freaking awesome for a hair topper, especially at this price point. The second pro is its price point. A lot of hair toppers that have good quality hair are going to be in the $650 to $850 range, and so you're looking at about half the price almost with a topper that has Remy hair. Remy hair means that the hair was all cut from a ponytail and all in the same direction so that the hair cuticles are nicely aligned and don't tangle as easily. Let me put this baby back up. It's light density, so you could even put it in a high ponytail and still have it be really comfortable and have it not pull on your natural hair. I'll put it in a bun this time. I did that, fairly quickly, and it's not pulling on my hair. It doesn't feel uncomfortable. It looks natural throughout despite the color difference. And I feel like I could wear this all day and not think about the hair topper pulling on my hair. So this has just been really great for those casual updos, outdoor activities. You don't have to worry about damaging a really high quality piece. I think this is also more versatile than the Uniwigs Upgrade Claire topper because it has a larger silk base. It's 6x7 and it doesn't have that sort of wefting that goes down that you pull. It just kind of sits on top here. I think that makes it a little bit more versatile. I was actually pretty surprised about that when I started playing around with it and doing some different hairstyles with it. Okay, so now the cons. So I think while the lace can be a pro, it can also be a con. When you're wearing it down, I feel like it has a little bit, compared to other full lace and fully hand-tied pieces I've seen, it has a little bit more bounce. And it does take a little bit more taming to like really pull it down and make it flat against your head. And so some people like that. Some people really like that big hair, but I'm someone that needs a little bit more of a natural look. And so I'd say that's one thing that's a con about this topper. The second big con is that while the hair quality is good, it's not the best. It's not as silky as the ones that I've seen that are the top quality, virgin natural hair that I would get for about $850, wigs I would get for $1,000. And so while it feels great now, I don't see this hair piece lasting me for more than a year. You would see it get a little bit more frizzy and a little bit more damaged the more hair tools and things that you put on it. I'd say that, you know, this is just a balance between the cost of the wig. You would get good value for its price, but just keep in mind you are paying, you know, less than $400 for this topper. I also wouldn't try recoloring this piece because I feel like the hair quality isn't the best. And so this hairpiece has already been colored. And so for you to color it again, you're damaging and bleaching it again, which I just would not recommend. Out of the pieces that I've tried from Uniwigs, this one's my personal favorite. Uniwigs often has sales and promotions going on. You can always use my code SARON15 for 15% off all wigs and toppers. And so you're taking that less than $400 full price point piece and then add in some discounts and you got in a steal right there. It's a lightweight piece that's great for updos. That little extra oomph is gonna give you a little bit more volume, especially for those high buns and for different braids and things like that. So that's it for the review. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, if you have questions, feel free to comment down below or DM me on Instagram. And thanks for watching. Hope you have a great hair day. Bye.